Greetings everyone, welcome back to my channel. Here we have another algebraic exponential equation that we are going to solve, where we have 5 to the power of x plus 5 to the power of x minus 1 is equal to 180, and we are given to find the value of x. Now you can pause this video and try this one by yourself. You may also check out my Math Olympiad playlist to see how to solve algebraic exponential equations like these ones. Now as I'm about to do the solution for this question, you might want to save this video for future reference, and if you're looking to learn how to solve more Math Olympiad questions like these ones, please feel free to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. Now in this lesson we'll go through a few math laws. In this case we have one such as a to the power of m minus n is the same as saying a to the power of m times a to the power of negative n. So I'll be using this exponential rule here to simplify our equation. So we'll have 5 to the power of x plus 5 to the power of x times 5 to the power of negative 1. And then this is equal to 180. Now where we have 5 to the power of x twice, we can factor 5 to the power of x in this equation. So we'll do this by saying 5 to the power of x. So we have 5 to the power of x, and then we have in brackets. So since we are multiplying 5 to the power of x here with 5 to the power of negative 1, we'll start there. So we'll say 5 to the power of x in brackets 5 to the power of negative 1 plus, and in factoring our 5 to the power of x we'll get 1. So we have 5 to the power of negative 1 plus 1, and we have this equal to 180. And now from here we recall our exponential rule, where we have a to the power of negative 1 is the same as saying 1 over a. So I'll be using this to simplify what we have here in our bracket. So we'll have 5 to the power of x. So we have that in brackets. This is going to be 1 over 5, so that's 1/5. Then we have plus 1, but 1 here we need to find an equivalent fraction so that we can have the same denominator. So this is 5 over 5, which is 1 whole, and this is equal to 180. And now from here we'll simplify what we have in our brackets. So we'll have 5 to the power of x in brackets. 1 plus 5 is 6, so just add the numerator and just rewrite the denominator. So that's 6 over 5, and this all equals to 180. And now from here we divide both sides by 6/5. So we'll have 6/5 being divided here, and we also divide it here on the right side of the equation. Now on this side the 6/5 are going to be cancelled out, so we'll have 5 to the power of x is equal to 180 over 6/5. And now from here we simplify this by saying 5 to the power of x is equal to 180. So here we have our fraction. We know when we are dividing fractions we flip it, and we also change the sign from division to multiplication. So we have 180 times 5 all over 6. So now we continue by saying 5 to the power of x is equal to, and here we know 180 times 5 is going to give us 900. And then we take that 900 and we divide it by the denominator, which is 6. So we say 6 into 90 goes 15 times, and we have our 0 remaining, so that's just going to be 150. So 5 to the power of x is equal to 150. Now in order to solve x we need to take log. So we take the log of 5 to the power of x is equal to the log of 150. Now from here where we have log 5 to the power of x, we can simplify this using this logarithm rule, where it states that log x to the power of y is equal to, we take the exponent which is y, so we say y log x. Now from here where we have the log of 150, we can take this and simplify it just the same. So the log of 150 can be simplified by saying the log of, in brackets, 25 times 6, as 25 times 6 gives us 150. So we'll just take this and simplify it using this, and this will simplify using this. So our exponent, which is x, so we take that, so we say x times the log of 5, so x log 5 is equal to log, and in brackets we'll have 25 times 6. So x times log 5 equals log 25 in brackets times 6. Now just to simplify log 25 times 6 in brackets, we can simplify this by having this logarithm rule here. So that log AB is the same as saying log A plus log B. Now then from here we say x log 5 is equal to log, where we have log 25 times 6, we use our logarithm rule to simplify this, so we have log 25 plus the log of 6. And now from here we divide both sides by log 5, so that x log 5 over log 5, we will also have that equal to log 25 over log 5, with that plus log 6 also over log 5. So that means that log 5 will be cancelled out on the left, so that x is equal to log 25 over log 5. You know, log 5 into log 25 goes 2 times, so that means we'll have 2 plus log 6 over log 5. And now from here we can simplify our solution for x by using this logarithm rule, where we have log A over log B is the same as saying, so we'll have this equal to log base B of A. Now from here, where we have the logarithm rule, where we have log base B of A, we'll use this to simplify our solution for x here. So we have finally arrived at our solution for x. X is equal to 2 plus log base 5 of 6. Now from here, what we are going to do is to see if this solution for x is true. And we do this by plugging in this value for x into our original equation. So let us go ahead and do that. So let us verify that x is equal to 2 plus log base 5 of 6. So our equation is that 5 to the power of x plus 5 to the power of x minus 1 is equal to 180. From here we verify our solution for x by plugging in the value of x here. So then therefore we would have 5 to the power of 2 plus log base 5 of 6, and then we'd have that plus 5 to the power of, we rewrite it again by saying 5 to the power of 2 plus log base 5 of 6, and then we'd have that minus 1, and then this is all equal to 180. Now from here we can recall our exponential rule, where we would have a to the power of m plus n is equal to a to the power of m times a to the power of n. So we'll apply this exponential rule here, and we'll also apply it over here. So then from here we'll say 5 to the power of 2 plus 5 to the power of log base 5 of 6. We can also put this in brackets, and then we would add this to what we have here. So we'd have that added to, we know that 2 minus 1 is going to give us 1. So we'd have 5 to the power of 1, and then using our algebraic rule, we would have that times 5 to the power of log base 5 of 6. And then this is all equal to 180. You can also put this in brackets. Now from here we know that 5 squared gives us 25. So here we also have another logarithm rule, so we'll look at it here. So where we have the same base here, 5 and 5, we can look at this using this rule. So we have x to the power of log base x of y, where we have the same base x and x, 5 and 5, it is equal to y. So then we'll have 25 times the value here, which is 6, so we'll have 25 times 6. Can put this in brackets again, and then we'll add that to, 5 to the power of 1 is just 5, so this is 5 times here is the same base again, so it is equal to 6, just like our rule says. So we're just going to have that 6 here. So 5 times 6, and this is all equal to 180. Now from here we evaluate this by multiplying 25 and 6, so that gives us 150, and then we add that to 5 times 6. You know, 5 times 6 gives us 30, so that's 150 plus 30 is equal to 180. And from here, we know that 150 plus 30 gives us 180. So then that proves our solution for x here. X is indeed equal to 2 plus log base 5 of 6. Now thanks again for staying with me to the end of this video. I hope that this was very informative. If you like this video, please smash that like button, and if you would like to see more content like this, please subscribe to my channel for more. And until then, I'll see you soon. Take care, and thanks again for watching.